Do impressions, okay? But you know, I'm not Rich Little. I'm not you know, somebody that does impressions as a general rule. But this is an impression that I'm pretty good at, and I'll share it with you. This is my impression of a plumber opening his Christmas present. Okay, this is a plumber opening his Christmas present. Okay, there it goes. Wow, a wrench. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah, that
was. Here comes Mr. Clark. No, John Holland. Here comes Mr. Clark. Here comes Mr. Clark. Right down the math hall. He's got his Moby tablet to make this class less dull. Exponents and logarithms, always such a gas. Formulas ready, calculators on in Mr. Clark's calculus class. Here comes Mr. Clark, here comes Mr. Clark, right down the math hall. Trigonometric functions are dumb, make me feel so small. Must be time for another calc test, students go to mass. How to graph the limit of f prime in Mr. Clark's calculus class. Here comes Mr. Clark, here comes Mr. Clark, right down the math hall. Take mercy on me, Mr. Clark, my mom is going to bawl. Please tell me this stupid song will help my grade to pass. Oh my God, the humanity in Mr. Clark's calculus class.
Very good.
We three kings of Orient are trying to smoke a rubber cigar. It was loaded, it exploded, boom! Silent night. Because it exploded. Be quiet.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Trig functions, derivatives, and the chart. Calculus is hard, but it's really fun. Studying and working on our 89s. Asking Clark how to F2 solve. Trig functions, derivatives, and the chart. Big F prime is the same as little f. The chain and product rules really help. On our gateway test, second block, it's the best time to get off track a bit. Discussing the solstice and the equinox. Learning more about life through calc. If you know how fast, then you know how far. This is the speed limit law. Calculus is truly beautiful. That's why calc, that's why calc, that's why calc rocks. Dashing off to class, try not to be late. Mr. Clark only gives you one tardy. Graphs on top of graphs, this one is y prime. Parametrics with Skywalker, Rangers, and Lions. Oh, calculus, calculus, derivatives all the way. L'Hopital's rule, Newton's law, limits are not fun. Hey, local max, local min, wait, that's a flat spot. Just make sure you check the chart and you might pass this class.
Yes, we can.
I put it
Dashing through the pages of an open calc book, over derivatives and limits, crying all the way, cramming for the test, making everyone exhausted. Oh, what fun it is to study calc every chance I get.
Oh, Mr. Clark, calculus is bomb. Oh, what fun it is to sit through your class and feel dumb. Mr. Clark, calculus is cool, even though it makes me want to drop out of school.
Oh.
Goodwill, so you might as well do
I didn't know my name. Oh calculus, derivatives and slope fields. Oh calculus, tangent lines and limits. There's L'Hopital's and dy dx, parametrics and slope of path. Oh calculus, with Newton's law of cooling. Don't forget about the chart, it tells you all about f prime of x. Oh calculus, there's a test over this next week.
Very good. Very good. Smalley got one? You got one?
No, they got one.
He wrote one, but he won't do it.
I never wrote one.
Smalley's.
No, I didn't write one.
So much for the group effort, Isaac.
There's like a spot where I don't know the word.
Well, that's funny.
This class, look at all la 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 la. Mr. Clark checks papers real fast. Look at all la 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 la. I'm working hard on these parametrics. Look at all la la la. I hope I did good on last week's test. Look at all la 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 la. Draw the best fit line on that graph. Look at all la 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 la. Find the derivative using math. Look at all la 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 la. I'm starting to get how to do these problems. Look at all la la la. Now that I sing this silly song, please, Mr. Clark, give me an A.
When you're ready.
Ready? Mr. Clark is giving us homework for Christmas. We'll be spending every moment doing it. I didn't believe I could be so stressed out, but this class is proving it. Oh, I came to class hoping to get an A. But after Mr. Clark gave us derivatives and parametrics, we started failing this class. Oh, Mr. Clark is giving us homework for Christmas. I'll be spending every moment doing it. I didn't believe I could be so stressed out, but this class is proving it. Oh, I got through the first couple of weeks of fun. Till we got to derivatives and f of x graphs. My grades started to slip and it kept getting worse, especially when we got out of slope fields. Mr. Clark is giving us homework for Christmas. I'll be spending every free moment doing it. I didn't believe I could be so stressed out, but this class is proving it. Oh, now that we're about done singing this song, I hope Mr. Clark will give us some bonus points for this.
We have a break from calculus this year. Derivatives, antiderivatives, and passive slope and speed, and more velocity, position, acceleration.
Very
Jingle bells. I hate calculus because it's really hard. Study my derivatives by making some flashcards. Derivative of x is obviously x prime. Learning all these rules, oh will I have some time? Oh, gateway test, why are you so mean? Because I sleep in class all day, I haven't learned a thing. Oh, Mr. Clark, why are you so cruel? Thank God for the genius triangle to help me get through school. I passed the gateway test, only took me 7 tries. All these stupid functions of x's and of y's. Now we're on to slope fields and infinity. All these stupid math terms that don't apply to me. Oh, gateway test, why are you so mean? Because I sleep in class all day, I haven't learned a thing. Oh, Mr. Clark, why are you so cruel? Thank God for the genius triangle to help me get through school.
good. All right. Let's hear it. Yes.
I wrote the haiku poems. Alright, haiku poems.
You don't want any credit for this one?
No, it's all about their genius triangle.
I
They
gotcha.
won't.
Okay.
They won't accept.
Kind of discriminatory here,
Yeah, a
aren't
little bit.
This here are haikus donated to the Genius Triangle numero uno.
Alright, the Genius Triangle.
Nothing more than 3 young men.
Who know not but math. Tony the Munch, the numbers does he crunch, his mind out to lunch. The Australian, learned student of Bobby Flay, shall secure an A.
Quiescent jammer, mollifies derivatives, his mind a keen shiv.
Triangle's weapon, the epic pilot G2 pen.
Victory's Big Ben.
Calculus must bow to the 30-60-90.
Genius Triangle.
What now?
Something like that.
It is.
Ready, set, go. You're a smart one, Mr. Clark, but I'm really, really struggling. These derivatives are so crazy, and my mind is getting hazy, Mr. Clark. The 3 words that make me want to cry are as follows, and I quote, sine, cosine, tangent. You're a sly one, Mr. Clark, with all your calculus rules. The limit does not exist, and still you say, explain it, Mr. Clark. I wouldn't solve a derivative inside a derivative inside a derivative inside a derivative to save my life. You're a strange one, Mr. Clark, with your logo max and min. All the ups and downs of calculus are driving me insane, Mr. Clark. Your mind is a never-ending textbook, overflowing with the most random assortment of incomprehensible functions imaginable, mangled up, tangled up knots. You're a creative one, Mr. Clark, with your assignments every day. I solve and solve the whole day through and waste my nights away, Mr. Clark. Given the choice between the 2 of you, I'd take some more sleep.
Very good. Nice. All right.
It's quality work, Mr. Clark. Don't
I'm not. Okay, here we go.
Everyone's settled. Silent class, sleeping class. Calculus has our best. Daydream flowing like melting snow. Clark's giving our whole net rhyme work. How will we pass the test? Can't go that low. Christmas break, hours away. No more math for a week. Nightmares of F prime chasing me. My grade is constantly sinking. Why did I take this class? Clark, please let me pass.
Very good. Awesome.
To the beat of Drummer Boy, or Little Drummer Boy. Calculus makes my heart go pa-ra-pa-pum-pum. These quizzes never go right, pa-ra-pa-pum-pum. I stay up studying, I really try, but derivatives suck. Looks like I'm out of luck. F prime of what? Shucks. Pa-ra-pa-pum-pum, ra-pa-pum-pum, ra-pa-pum-pum. Next week in calculus we get our quizzes back. My heart gets to beating and I check my Gradle fast. Pa-ra-pa-pum. I turn around and look at you and you made a poor grade too. I guess we won't get into Tony's exclusive gateway club. I'll have to try again to get my well-deserved 8 out of 10. Calculus makes my heart go pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. Although it doesn't suck because Mr. Don Clark is pretty cool. Pa-rum-pa-pum.
Good.
Dashing through the halls, going to receive my gateway. Over the test we go, so I'm going to take it another day. I guess that Mr. Clark wins. I'm going to make my answers right. What can I do to get an 8 out of 10 so I can get some sleep tonight? Oh, derivatives, derivatives, the slope of the tangent line. Where prime of x squared is 2x and of cosec's negative sign. Derivatives, derivatives. The slope of the tangent line. Why prime of x squared is 2x and of cosec's negative sign. A day or two ago, my gateway was failed. Therefore, it's good to know that the test is going to be scaled. Mr. Clark was walking by, holding the gateway. He laughed there as I take a second flight, but was quickly blown away. Oh, derivatives, derivatives, the slope of the tangent line. Why prime of x squared is 2x and cosec's negative sign. Derivatives, derivatives, the slope of the tangent line. Why prime of x squared is 2x and of cosec's negative sign.
Twas the night before the gateway test. Not a student was resting for failing or failing, while sine and cosine bounced around in the student's head, and Mr. Clark in bed thinking of more jokes worthy of old riddles. Well, at his door came a knocking. He got out of bed and headed to the door to see who was there. Looking out his window, to his surprise, a couch student was standing. He opens the door, and over the student's shoulder pulls a van with 8 more couch students inside. As he took a step back to contemplate everything, in came the couch students, each with a notebook and TI-89 in hand. They took a spot in the room, unloading calc homework with much to do. He looked at them all with disbelief and pointed to the door without a word. They all stood up and ran for the door because of the rage in his eyes. They did not ask a question more. He then yelled, saying, "I'll cancel the test, so to you all a good night."